Hello everyone, and welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're looking for the smartest, most powerful robot vacuums to keep your home spotless with minimal effort, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026, featuring the latest models with advanced AI navigation, powerful suction, and impressive smart home features to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to Best Reviews and hit that like button so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. And if you want to learn more about any of the products featured today, you'll find all the links in the description box below. Now, let's dive into the list. Number 5. iRobot Roomba 105 X Robot Vacuum. Starting off our list at number 5 is the iRobot Roomba 105X, a smart robot vacuum designed for busy homes with kids and pets. It delivers an impressive 70 times more powerlifting suction than the Roomba 600 series, making it highly effective at removing embedded dirt, pet hair, and crumbs from both carpets and hard floors. Its 3-stage cleaning system, combined with clear-view LiDAR mapping, ensures neat, efficient room-by-room cleaning while avoiding furniture, cords, and other obstacles, even in low-light conditions. Number 4. Dreame D20 Air Plus. Taking the 4th spot is the Dreame D20 Air Plus, a powerful cleaning machine designed for hands-free convenience. Its incredible 20,000 Pascal Vormax suction effortlessly removes dust, dirt, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. The standout feature is its 4-liter self-emptying dock, allowing up to 120 days of maintenance-free cleaning. It also vacuums and mops simultaneously with adjustable water flow, while the dual anti-tangle brush design reduces hair wrap. Combined with precise 360-degree navigation and excellent edge-to-corner cleaning, it's an excellent option for busy households. Number 3. MOVA P10 Pro Ultra. At number 3, we have the feature-packed MOVA P10 Pro Ultra, a premium robot vacuum built for deep cleaning and smart automation. It delivers 13,000 Pascal suction, making it perfect for removing pet hair, dust, and stubborn debris from carpets and hard floors. Its advanced all-in-one docking station automatically empties the dustbin, washes the mop with hot water, dries it with hot air, and can operate for up to 75 days without manual emptying. The dual spinning mop extends into corners, automatically lifts over carpets, and intelligent dirt detection even re-cleans dirty areas for spotless results. Pet owners will also appreciate its built-in pet monitoring and interactive features. Number 2. Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra. Coming in at number 2 is the Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra, a smart robot vacuum that's ideal for homes with pets. It combines powerful suction with matrix clean navigation, allowing it to make multiple passes over dirt for a deeper clean. Its 360-degree LiDAR mapping creates accurate home maps for efficient navigation, while the bagless self-emptying base stores up to 30 days of dust and debris with HEPA filtration that captures allergens. The self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair tangles, and Wi-Fi connectivity lets you schedule cleanings or control the robot using Alexa or Google Assistant. Number 1. Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2. Taking the number 1 spot is the impressive Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2, one of the most advanced robot vacuums available today. It boasts an incredible 25,000 Pascal suction power, delivering exceptional performance on both hard floors and carpets. Its extendable side brush and mop reach deep into corners and under furniture, while the all-in-one self-cleaning dock automatically empties dust, washes and dries the mop, and minimizes maintenance. Smart Pathfinder navigation with advanced obstacle avoidance ensures smooth, accurate cleaning throughout your home. With 10.5mm automatic mop lifting, multiple carpet cleaning modes, and a 231-minute battery life, the L40 Ultra Gen 2 offers a truly premium, hands-free cleaning experience, making it our top pick for the best robot vacuum of 2026.